Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, trustworthy and efficient residential property conveyancing in Valentine, NSW. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Are you dreaming of a new home in picturesque Valentine, NSW, or perhaps ready to sell your current property, but the thought of the conveyancing process fills you with dread? You're not alone. Navigating property transactions can feel like a minefield of legal jargon, endless paperwork, and unexpected delays, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unsure if your investment is truly secure. Hidden fees, confusing contracts, and a lack of clear communication often turn what should be an exciting journey into a stressful ordeal. You deserve better than to navigate these complexities on your own, risking costly mistakes or prolonged settlements. That's where Conveyancing Newcastle steps in. We're here to transform your property journey into a smooth, swift, and entirely stress-free experience. Specialising in residential property conveyancing right here in Valentine, NSW, our team is dedicated to simplifying the entire process for you. We recognise that manoeuvring the world of residential property conveyancing can be overwhelming, but we're here to simplify the process, ensuring every detail is handled with care and precision. We provide efficient and trustworthy service, from reviewing contracts to managing negotiations and settlement, making sure you're supported every step of the way. Our commitment? To deliver swift property transactions with expert legal guidance. You'll always benefit from transparent communication, keeping you informed at every stage, while our meticulous attention to detail helps prevent any potential issues, ensuring quick turnaround times for all your needs. When it comes to residential property conveyancing, you want a partner you can trust, and that's exactly what Conveyancing Newcastle offers. With our deep expertise and unwavering commitment to efficiency, we ensure your property transaction is as smooth and swift as possible. Our experienced professionals navigate complexities with precision, minimising delays and issues. Don't let indecision prolong your property goals. The market moves quickly, and securing expert support promptly is crucial. Spaces for personalised consultations are limited, so acting now ensures you receive the dedicated attention your property journey deserves before opportunities pass you by. In an ever-changing property market, having a trusted partner who understands the nuances of the law can make all the difference. By working with savvy conveyancers, you'll benefit from their insights and advice, ensuring you're making informed decisions tailored to your unique situation. This expertise eases the complexities of property transactions, allowing you to achieve your property goals with confidence and clarity. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your investment is sound, your future secured, and your property journey is handled by the best. You deserve a seamless and worry-free experience, allowing you to focus on what really matters, turning your new house into a home. We'll provide you with a detailed quote up front, so there are absolutely no surprises along the way. And if any issues arise, our expertise means we'll work diligently to resolve them promptly, providing sound legal advice and solutions to guarantee your transaction stays on track. Your peace of mind is our priority. Your property journey deserves the best. Let's make it smooth and stress-free. Contact us today for expert conveyancing that works for you. Don't wait. Book a call with our conveyancing expert right now at conveyancingnewcastle.com. That's conveyancingnewcastle.com. Secure your property future